Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily, we got our Fibonacci retracement from here to here because we definitely did turn down on the daily, but this is for sure still an uptrend on the daily, which means this move down could just be a pullback to this last move up. It could bounce from any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and continue this daily time frame uptrend that we are in. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we're looking for three waves down and Fibonacci bounces, which we actually already have. We have one down, very, very corrective up, and then another down. And there is a little bit of a break of structure on like the 15-minute to 30-minute time frame right here at the 38% fib. With the fact that the trend is up on the daily and weekly, I really wouldn't be surprised if this went all the way back up and made new highs. Now, with the big holiday in the US this week, we do have to be a little bit careful because the market could, stretch out into more of a sideways complex pattern. So we do have to be careful over the next couple of days because there could be a little bit of a lack of volume because of the big US holiday, Thanksgiving. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.